guys, it's Sona, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a bow and arrow. Without further ado, let's just get started. We're going to start with a quick warm-up. Start by rotating your legs through passe position and then straighten your legs and rotate them again. Stretch your sides by leaning sideways. We're also going to do some arm circles. Pull an arm back, then across forwards. Now use a rope, cloth, or band and rotate. If you'd like a more in-depth shoulder stretching routine, click the I button above. Start in a butterfly position, then lean forwards. Extend both legs and lean towards your leg again. Next, do a side lunge, leaning side again, then lean forwards to stretch your middle splits. And put your stomach on the floor as if you're in a side extension or a bow and arrow. Next, lay down and pull your leg towards the floor. It's fine if your leg doesn't reach the floor. Now we're going to start stretching our middle splits against the wall by laying down and sitting up.
Staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes.
ways to get into a bow and arrow. Pull your leg up from your heel like you would a regular side extension, Then pass your leg onto the opposite arm. Kick your leg up and catch it straight away with your opposite arm.
Can't stop thinking of your diamond mind. Careful creature made friends with time. He left her lonely with a diamond mind. And those ocean
You could also do the side kicks on the floor with weights or a resistance band to get more practice.
make me cry when you give me those oceans. I'm scared.
A common mistake people make is to lean forwards. A common issue for this mistake is lack of flexibility in your middle splits. Second common mistake that people make is leaning towards your leg, and the common mistake for this is a lack of front split. So that's going to be it for today's tutorial. I hope it helped, and if it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and fun random stuff I do. Let me know what you want to see next, if there's anything you had in mind, and I'll see you guys later.
I'd like to stay and taste my first champagne. Yes?
No.